Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2009 Honda VTX1300 Tourer. This bike's got just a little under 10,800 miles on it and is in mint condition. So let's take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This cruiser is very clean. As you can see, it comes with a tall, clear windscreen, highway lights with visors. Front end is in great shape. Front tire they'll be checking out when it goes through inspection to decide on if that needs a new one or not. It's got footboards for the driver. Tank, no rock chips, no dents, no scratches. Comes with a Mustang seat with a driver's backrest, passenger backrest and luggage rack combo, leather saddlebags. Back tires in great shape still. And the saddlebags, the Mustang seat. Floorboards and then a heel toe shifter setup. Good looking, clean bike. Show you the miles now. $10,746 is what's on it. And I think the baffles are out of this one. As the excitement abounds about this VTX 1300 Tourer, it will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.